Bridges connect people, cities, and possibilities. Let's see how a bridge is built over a river.
It all begins with surveying the river and surrounding land. Soil testing helps decide the strength of the foundation.
Foundations are built deep into the riverbed for strong support. Steel beams connect the pillars, forming the skeleton of the bridge. Tall pillars are raised to hold the bridge structure.
Concrete slabs are laid to create the surface of the bridge.
Smooth asphalt is laid to make the road durable.
Safety railings and barriers are added for protection. Streetlights and utilities are installed for safety and convenience. The bridge is tested with heavy vehicles to check its strength. A final inspection ensures everything is perfect.
Finally, the bridge is inaugurated and open for the public.
Step by step, a bridge is built to connect people and communities.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.